Hello everyone. Today, I'll give a demonstration of our product OneStop E-Cycle. OneStop E-Cycle is an one-stop destination for everything about e-waste recycling. I am currently using my laptop, but keep in mind that the website is responsive so that you can use it on your mobile as well. So here we are on the homepage. This button here will redirect you to the recycling page, which we will see a little bit later. Here we have a few different cards representing different types of e-waste. If you click or tap on the card, then a pop-up will show up with more information of that type. To dismiss, you can either click on this button or just click outside of the pop-up. And down here, there are 3 more cards showing 3 upcoming events. You can click on each of the cards to see more details about the event, or click on this link to see all the upcoming events on the event page. To continue, we will go to the information page using the navigation bar here. And one thing to notice is that when I click on the button, the page loads almost immediately. This feature is called single-page application behavior. This allows the user to jump between pages without waiting to load any more data, and it gives a more dynamic experience. On the info page, we have useful information about e-waste, including the definition, some characteristics, impact of e-waste, and the benefits of e-waste recycling. Down here, you can see the 8 cards similar to the ones on the homepage, and if you click on the card, it will also show a pop-up. Actually, on this page, there's an additional Learn More button, which will direct you to another page with even more information. Down here, there is a little bit more numbers, figures, and some charts. Okay, now let's go to the recycling page. The recycling page is the main feature of our application. Here we have an embedded Google map, which you guys can move around and zoom in, zoom out. And this red marker here is my current location. Yes, I am here. Now, let's say I'm in City Hall MRT and I have some e-waste ready to be recycled. First, we need to type into the search box here, city, and okay. So the autocomplete already helps me to fill out the rest. And actually, the search engine can correct my typo also. Let's say I mistakenly type in CTIY, and yeah, this still shows the correct result. Okay, so let's select City Hall MRT, and as you can see, the map moves me to the location. And we can already see there are some green markers here indicating the available recycling points. When I click on the marker, it will show me more information such as the address, postal code, and accepted e-waste type at that location. In case I want to limit the distance to the recycling points, I can choose different radius like 500 meters, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, or maybe view all available recycling points. The markers on the map will be changed accordingly. On top of that, there's an additional filter that allows us to choose the type of e-waste that we are concerned with. Here we have only 4 options, since these are all the available options from the government API. Finally, if we scroll down, there will be a few disposal guidelines if you are new to e-waste recycling. Lastly, we have an event page, which shows a list of upcoming recycling events in Singapore. For each event, there's a preview of the event, including the cover image, the title, date, description, and a Learn More button. You can click on this Learn More button, and here's all the details about the event. There's a Register button here, so that you can go to the main page of the event and maybe register for it. We implemented the event post by dynamic routing in Next.js. The content of the event itself is saved in a markdown file. And if we want to create more events, we just need to create another markdown file. This enables us to extend our application more easily. On the bottom of the event page, we also have a form that allows our user to subscribe to a newsletter using their email address. The newsletter will provide more information about e-waste recycling and notify about new events. The user's emails are stored securely in our database using Firebase. For this demonstration, we'll input an email, onestop@email.com, and click the subscribe button. This is a valid email. Therefore, you'll see a pop-up saying welcome on board. And as you can see, the email actually appears in our database here. Now we'll try another input, OneStop, and click on the subscribe button. And you'll see there's an error showing here. This is not a valid email. Therefore, the user cannot subscribe. Let's try using the last email again, onestop@email.com. This is the email that we have subscribed to previously. So when we subscribe again, the system will display the message, welcome back. The email is not overridden in the database, as the timestamp does not change. The subscribe form is also available across all the pages in the footer, which also contains the links to our social networks, our contacts, and links to the other pages. And last but not least, we'll show a quick mobile view of our pages. This is the end of our demonstration. Thank you for listening.